Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is click the Windows icon here and type cmd. This shows the command prompt. Select run as administrator. If you're on a Mac, you'll need to open terminal. Paste this string into the terminal window. I'll leave it down in the description. Hit enter. Afterwards, restart your system. After restarting, open up your browser, then click the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. You can see that incognito mode is now grayed out. If you want to undo the changes, click the Windows icon, type cmd, then run command prompt as administrator. Copy and paste this string here. Hit enter, then restart your system once more. If you go to our browser after restarting, you can see that incognito mode is now available. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.